Today I'm going to be doing a psychedelic frog. I was inspired by Jamie Hummel from Tippy Toad Concepts. I will link her Facebook channel in the description. She's an amazing artist and her frogs are out of this world. I will be using Let's Resin Intense Chameleon powders. For resin, I'm using Estoyo resin 1:1 by volume. No need to weigh it. The resin will be used to add a small layer on its back to give a magnified effect. Make sure you mix your resin for a good 4 minutes and don't forget to scrape the sides. Whilst I leave the mixed resin to disperse any bubbles that may have formed, I'm going to use the cabochon eyes to put into the sockets. I will use my Let's Resin UV resin and the torch. Dab a small teeny weeny amount of UV resin into the socket. Add the cabochon and give it 10 seconds with your torch. Make sure you do it to both eyes. You don't want a one-eyed froggy. Once the cabochons are secure, I'm adding the resin. Note that I just applied a small amount. Leave it to dry for the next day. For this part, I'm going to use J Addiction High Viscosity UV resin. I normally use this for doming. This part is all you. You can design any pattern you want. Just make sure you do it slowly and use your torch or your lamp to cure as you go. Otherwise, the UV resin will move. Also remember that once you have zapped it with your torch, you can't go back. That's it, it's bonded into the resin. Time to do the tootsies. I'm going to use these little pearl-like balls. All you need to do is add a little UV resin to the toes and place the ball. Then zap it under your torch. I'm doing it to all its toes, and then to make sure it's completely cured, I will put it under my UV lamp for about 5 minutes. Here comes my favourite part, adding colour. Yuck! Do whichever pattern you want, and the colours again are up to you. I'm using Intense Chameleons from Let's Resin. I'm just dropping the powders in. I'm not blending. Not yet. Here's a hot tip to remember. The first colour you lay down will be the one that shows through. Now that I'm happy with my colour placement, I will use a fluffy brush to blend everything. That way I make sure I didn't miss any spots. I'm going to be using this amazing polyurethane black resin from Artist Spray. They ship worldwide. It's a 1:1 ratio by weight. I would add each component into a separate cup, one for A and one for B. I do this with polyurethane because it cures in a blink of an eye. Therefore, you have approximately 1 minute to stir and pour. Because this product is thin like water, you can mix it perfectly in 20 seconds with no bubbles. Any bubbles you do get will disperse instantly. Please make sure you're wearing your protective mask and gloves throughout the whole procedure from the very beginning. Pour your resin into the mould. Don't take too long. And now just watch the magic happen. Demoulding time. Oh, I'm loving it. Need to cut out all the overflow. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Check Jamie Hummel's page, which is linked in the description.